The yellow-tufted woodpecker, Melanerpes cruentatus, is a species of woodpecker. It is found in Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Guyana, Peru, Suriname, and Venezuela. Its natural habitats are subtropical or tropical, moist lowland forest, and heavily degraded former forest. An adult is about 20 centimeters 8 in long. The upper parts are mostly bluish-black, as are the cheeks, chin, throat and chest. The breast and belly are red, although the amount of red is variable, and the flanks and lower belly have black and white, undulating barring. The rump and upper tail covers are white, this being noticeable in flight, and the tail is black. The underside of the wing is barred in black and white. The beak is blackish, the legs gray, and the iris and orbital ring are yellow. The male differs from the female in having a red fore and mid-crown, while the female has these parts black. In northern and western races, the brow is yellow creamer, buff, and the hind-crown yellow or golden feathers, these often being tufted, but in southern races these areas are black. Juveniles are similar to the adults, but the upper parts are browner and the underparts are grayer. Juveniles of both sexes have some red on the crown, and the belly is more orange than red. The yellow-tufted woodpecker is native to northern South America. Its range includes eastern Colombia, western and southern Venezuela, the Guianas, northern and central Brazil, eastern Ecuador, eastern Peru, and eastern Bolivia. Its altitudinal range is from sea level to about 1,200 meters, 3,900 feet, and even higher. In Ecuador, it is a species of open humid forest, both Varsia and terra firme forest, and is also found in secondary forest, woodland verges, and burned-out areas with isolated standing trees. It is a non-migratory species.